Hello and welcome to this episode of Creating with Howcraft. My name is Denise Yesback-Moore with howcraftcollection.com. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create my spooky bangle bracelet. It attaches up here and we can come over and it opens and closes. The tools and supplies you will need to create these bracelets are memory wire cutters. These are very important. If you use your regular cutters on memory wire, it can damage your cutters. You will need round nose pliers, chain nose pliers, memory wire. It reminds me of a slinky. This is bracelet and it's a size large. We will be using these Czech glass black mix 4 to 15 millimeter beads. They come in an assortment, and the new Halloween charms just added to the website. A complete list of the jewelry making supplies and beads along with printable PDF instructions can be found on howcraftcollection.com. Search spooky bracelets. We are going to start by cutting one loop, leaving a gap of 1 1/4 inch. And we're going to come over to the side and grabbing our round nose pliers, we're going to go to the end and we're going to form a simple loop by rolling that wire towards us. If it bends a little bit, we can just kind of come back in and straighten the loop out. I just strung a mix of our Czech glass black beads. I don't have a number for you because it is a mix, but you're going to string them to about 1/2 inch from the end of the wire. Grabbing our memory wire cutters, I'm just going to come up here and just trim off that little end. Let's make our hook with our round nose pliers. I'm rolling the wire towards me and then I'm going to move down a little bit and I'm going to bring it down to create that little hook. I'm going to come back over here. I'm going to move it out just a tad, and now we have our little hook to connect the top part of the bracelet. Setting the bottom part of our bracelet aside, we are going to cut about 1/2 loop. It may be a little less than 1/2 loop of memory wire. With our chain nose pliers, I'm putting it right down to the end and I'm going to bend that wire to the side. Now we are going to form a simple loop by rolling the wire towards us. I'm going to move that back a little bit and then come back in and just kind of squish it down. We want to make sure that loop is closed. With my chain nose pliers, I'm just coming in and I'm tapping that down. Now I grab the bottom base and the top. I strung some beads on and I'm just kind of checking it to see if it's a good fit, and that's a good fit. So we're going to come over to this side and we are bending that wire to the side. Coming back in with our memory wire cutters, we're going to go right about there and trim off that little end. Now we are going to form our simple loop and we are just rolling the wire towards us, and then I want to come back in. I want to make sure that loop is on the side, so I'm just twisting a little bit. I'm going to open this end of the short part of the bracelet, grab this side. Let's see, that's the right way to attach it. And we're going to close that. And now we are going to attach it to the hook. Our last step is to grab our charm. This is how you open and close a jump ring. We're going to come over to this side of the bracelet, attach, and close our jump ring. And there you have it, how to create my spooky bracelets. If you are watching on YouTube, please like and subscribe at Howcraft USA. Follow us on Instagram at Howcraft Collection Beads. Be sure to visit howcraftcollection.com for more inspirational DIY projects and for all your jewelry making needs. New beads are added weekly, and each week howcraftcollection.com features an amazing new sale. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.